Hello students, in this video we're going to learn how to do metric system conversions when going from a big prefix to a small prefix.
Welcome to Mr. Jahs class where I, Mr. Jah, cover educational topics in a short amount of time. Let's get started.
Let's take a look at this problem. So convert 15 centigrams into milligrams. Remember, when we look at the metric system, we want to remember King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. And the reason why we say usually is because the U is the unit. So depending on what you're measuring, that one can change. So the U in this case is actually a G because the unit that is being used to measure is grams. Remember that grams measures mass. So step one, draw the table. So you want to draw that in your notebook. And then number two, we want to locate the prefix. So the prefix in this case is going to be C. And then the other prefix is going to be milli. So the starting prefix and put a 0. So we are starting at C because we are trying to get to milli. So C is where we're starting, so we're going to put a 0. Then we're going to count to the left or the right to the ending prefix. We are going to milli, so that's going to be 1. Then from there, we want to write the starting value with the unit. So we want to make sure we organize our work. So step 4, we're going to rewrite the value with the starting unit. And then step 5, we are going to move the decimal the same amount and direction. So remember that in this case, we don't see the decimal, but it is there. It's going to be right there. And then we're going to move it to the right one time. Just like that. And then step 6, add a 0 if there's a blank space. So we see that there's a blank space. So we're going to put a 0. And then we want to rewrite the problem with the new unit. So the answer is 150 milligrams. And that is how you do metric system conversions.
Thank you for watching the video. Attention science teachers. Want some free physics resources for your classroom? Click the teacher link in the description. And as always, thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing.